PDF. Highlights. Rewrite later. It's a waste of time. I read my PDFs in TranotePDF. Even better, it supports translation and side-by-side reading across languages. I highlight and add notes as I go. When I'm done reading, I export everything straight into Notion. No retyping, no lost context, just clean notes. If you study from PDFs, this is a game changer. Step 1. Open Notion. Go to Settings, then Connections. Scroll down and click Develop or Manage Integrations. Create a new integration. Name it whatever you like. Choose the workspace you want to connect. Type must be internal. Click Configure Integration Settings. Copy the integration token. You'll need this in TranotePDF. Step 2. Create a page and get the page ID. Create a new page in Notion, or use an existing one. Copy the page URL and save the page ID. This page will be the parent page where your PDF notes are added. Step 3. Add the integration to the page. This step is required. Without it, Notion will block access and you'll get a page not found error. Step 4. Connect Notion and TranotePDF. Open TranotePDF, paste your API token and parent page ID. Now you're all set. Sync your PDF notes to Notion as you read.